Burn it up. So I'm fixing to do something that I've wanted to do my entire life, and that is to race every impact driver that Home Depot has for sale. At least every impact driver that my local Home Depot has for sale. So unequivocally, we're going to discover today what is the best impact driver on the market from Home Depot. And everybody has their own opinion about what's best, right? Is it comfortable, lightweight? Well, my opinion of the best is the best tool at doing what the tool is designed to do, and that's screw things or drill things or whatever. So the format for the race is I'm going to take, they're organized by price. So starting with the lowest cost, the brushed rigid and brushed Ryobi, and then the basic budget bottom of the barrel DeWalt Atomic and the rigid 1 Plus, and then we've got the rigid subcompact versus the Milwaukee's base model. We've got the Makiti BL versus the DeWalt Max, and then we've got the oil impulse drivers. They're a completely different technology. They're not particularly high performing in my opinion, but we're going to do the Surge versus the rigid. And then the top of the line offering, so the Milwaukee Fuel versus the DeWalt Max XR. So here's how we're going to race them. So it's going to be best 2 out of 3. I'm going to do this number, and then I'm going to switch places and drive the screw into the wood in exactly the same location. And I'm going to use both hands just in case, you know, the right side of my body weighs more or whatever. And then it's going to be sort of an elimination round. The winner of this heat is going to compete with the winner of this, and the winner of this with this, this with this, this with this. Our track for today is going to be this pressure treated 4x4. The length of the track is these gnarly 8" by 3/8 lag screws. So like I said, we're going to do this number, bam, and then we're going to switch place with another run to go with this number. And best 2 out of 3. Each drill gets its own fresh screw at the beginning of the race. We're going to start with the rigid cheap brushed versus the Ryobi cheap brushed. Ready, set. Oh, wait a minute. We got to verify that both of them have a full battery. This is the smaller battery, but I'm going to switch out the 2-amp battery for every round. I'm going to make sure that the batteries are completely topped off for every single round. Oh yeah, and we're all starting at a 7" length of the screw. Okay, here we go for real this time. Ready, set. Okay, second race, we have the Ryobi 1 Plus versus the DeWalt Atomic. Here we go. Ready, set, go. All right, so for the third race, we have the winners of the first and the second round. The Ryobi brushed versus the Ryobi brushless. Both of the batteries, again, have full charges. I topped them both off. Here we go. Ready, set. Set. so for our next race, we have the Milwaukee bottom of the line brushless and the rigid subcompact. Both of them have full batteries. And this one is set on the go fast mode. So let's see. Here we go. Round one. Ready, set. That obviously ain't the right mode. Ready, set. So between rounds, I want to show you guys one of the coolest little gadgets I think I've ever seen in my entire life. So this is what I would consider to be a dummies multimeter. You just fire it up.
It's about to enter steady state.
So you just turn it on.
Already on auto mode.
And then it's got an automatic mode, and you just touch it to the thing.
DC 20.21 volt.
And it tells you the voltage, and it even speaks it in its little English, this cute little English voice. I absolutely love this thing. You can't mess it up like a multimeter where you put it in the wrong thing. Hold on, I'll show you. So you can take AC like this and stick it in there.
AC true value 121.9 volt.
And it just tells you how it is. Isn't that awesome? But I wanted to do this so I could show that the battery is fully charged. The 5S, or a 5-cell battery, fully charged is right at 20 volts. So this one's fully charged. I'm going to chunk it back in there. And then we're going to run the winner from the, like, way back when against the Milwaukee base model. Okay. 7 and 7. Full battery, and away we go. 1, 2. Oh me. Yeah. That's the next race between the Makita BL and the DeWalt Max. Charged. Ready, set. Set. That was too close to tell. So I've just re-prepped our track with the new 4x4s. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. here are the two highfalutin drills with the oil impulse drive. I got both of them on high gear, both of them got full batteries. Here we go, round one. Ready, set. Set. Yeah. It's expensive and innovative, but it ain't worth a crap. Set. So this is the final round. These are the two most expensive impact drivers that you can buy at Home Depot. Ready, set. Here we go. This is the final round, the most expensive impact drivers that you can buy at Home Depot. Ready, set. Ready, set. Champion. Ready, set. Wow. This is an unbelievable drill. Burn it up. Well, this one's already put out some excellent runs, so it just ran out of the ghost. It gave up the ghost finally. So here we have it. The best drill available at Home Depot. Wow, you smell that burnt drill.